Okay, let's do some C, G7 songs. And so let's start with London Bridges. And actually, let's explore first. We can play London Bridges with G or G7. So let's do it with the G first. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Or here it is with the G7. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Either works, it's a matter of preference. So let's do that more slowly, going from the C to the G7. London Bridge is falling down, G7, falling down, C, falling down, keep the C. London Bridge is falling down, G7, my fair sea lady. There's so many different songs to this tune. Okay, so we can do little raindrops falling down, falling down, falling down. Little raindrops falling down, falling to the ground. I know sometimes I'm going to start doing a bunch of random strums. Just remember, you don't have to strum along with all those strums. You just have to do the one per measure. If you're playing in a group, it's just nice to know that if you're not up to strumming along with everyone, even just hitting that one strum per measure, or even hitting the one strum on the chord you know, and then just kind of waiting for that chord you know to roll around again, either way you can play in a group. Okay. Little snowflake twirling round, twirling round, twirling round. Little snowflake twirling round, lands on my head. Okay, let's do a Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Lie. Here we go, Looby Loo, all on a Saturday night. Okay, let's do that slower. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Lie. Here we go, Loob. Oop, that was my mistake, wasn't it? Let's try again. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Lie. Here we go, Looby Loo, all on a Saturday night. I like this little Peekaboo song. Someone is hiding, hiding, hiding. Someone is hiding, who could it be? Peekaboo. Okay, so let's try that slowly together. Someone is hiding, hiding.